A virus just slipped through the nose and throat defenses into the body. Its goal is simple: hijack one cell, then turn that cell into a copy factory. That means the immune system is racing the clock from the very first minute. First come the barriers, then the alarm, then identification, attack, and memory. A virus is tiny, but its strategy is dangerous. Get inside, then multiply. They carry genetic material, RNA or DNA, inside a protein shell. Spike proteins on the surface act like keys to unlock your cells. Once inside, a virus hijacks the cell to make thousands of copies. A single infected cell can release over 10,000 new virus particles. The rest of this film is how your body prevents that chain reaction. Before any virus reaches your cells, it must pass your body's barriers. Your skin is the first wall, layers of dead cells nothing can penetrate. In your nose, throat, and lungs, sticky mucus traps pathogens. Your stomach acid, at pH 1.5, dissolves most invaders on contact. Tears, saliva, and even earwax contain enzymes that destroy microbes. These barriers block about 99% of threats before they get inside. But when something does get through, the real fight begins. Your innate immune system activates within minutes. Macrophages, meaning big eaters, patrol your tissues constantly. They engulf and digest viruses, bacteria, and dead cells. Neutrophils are the first responders, swarming the infection in huge numbers. Together they trigger inflammation, redness, swelling, and heat. Inflammation is not a mistake. It's a signal calling for reinforcements. Cytokines are the alarm molecules that spread the message everywhere. While macrophages eat invaders, dendritic cells do something smarter. They capture pieces of the virus, called antigens. Then they carry these antigens to the lymph nodes. Think of them as intelligence agents gathering evidence from the battlefield. In the lymph node, they present the antigen to T cells, like showing a wanted poster to the special forces. This handoff is the bridge between innate and adaptive immunity. T cells are the special forces of your immune system. Helper T cells, also called CD4+, are the commanders. They send chemical signals to activate other immune cells. Killer T cells, CD8+, are the assassins. They find infected cells and destroy them with precision. They punch holes using perforin and inject granzymes to trigger self-destruct. A killer T cell can detect one infected cell among millions. After destroying it, they move on to the next target. B cells are your body's antibody factories. When activated by helper T cells, they start mass-producing antibodies. Each antibody is a Y-shaped protein designed for one specific antigen. The tips of the Y grab onto the virus like a lock and key. Once coated in antibodies, a virus can no longer infect cells. This is called neutralization. Antibodies also flag viruses for destruction by macrophages. A single B cell can produce 2,000 antibodies every second. Now the full immune response is in motion. Macrophages engulf viruses. Killer T cells destroy infected cells. Antibodies swarm the remaining particles, neutralizing on contact. Neutrophils flood the area with toxic chemicals. Cytokines coordinate everything, but too many cause a cytokine storm. A cytokine storm is when the immune response becomes dangerously overactive. The battle typically takes 7 to 10 days on first exposure. After the battle is won, most immune cells die off. But some T cells and B cells transform into memory cells. Memory cells remember the exact shape of the virus they fought. If the same virus returns, they activate in hours, not days. The second response is faster, stronger, and more precise. This is why you rarely get the same illness twice. Some memory cells last a lifetime.
Vaccines use this memory system to protect you without making you sick. They introduce a harmless piece of the virus to train your immune system. Live-attenuated vaccines use a weakened virus, like MMR and chickenpox. Inactivated vaccines use a killed virus, like flu shots and polio. mRNA vaccines give cells a blueprint to make one viral protein. Your immune system learns, builds memory cells, and is ready. Vaccines have saved over 154 million lives in the past 50 years.
Sometimes the immune system makes mistakes. In autoimmune diseases, it attacks the body's own healthy cells. Allergies happen when it overreacts to harmless things, like pollen. Immunodeficiency means the system is too weak to fight infections. Understanding these helps us develop better treatments. So here's the full picture of your body's defense. Physical barriers block most threats before they enter. Innate immunity responds fast with macrophages and neutrophils. Adaptive immunity targets specific invaders with T cells and B cells. Memory cells ensure you're ready if the same enemy returns.